Welcome to GPAC ERP Standard Edition, an integrated platform for accounting, sales, purchasing, inventory, distribution, banking, fixed assets, and point of sale operation. The dashboard gives management a quick view of the businesses. Key figures such as cash received, cash payments, bank transaction, sales, purchase, profit, and cash in hand are available in one place. By selecting a project and reporting period, users can immediately review the position of a specific business unit without opening multiple reports. The dashboard is connected to the underlying transaction. For example, when a user clicks a cash receipt figure, the system opens the voucher and payment details that created that total. The same approach is used for product sales and probability. Management can move from a summary chart to item level quantity, sales values, purchase values, and gross profit. This makes the dashboard useful for both quick monitoring and detailed investigation. Now we can see a controlled accounting workflow. A payment can first be prepared as a proposal. The proposal records the pay, voucher type, amount, currency, date, and the user who created it. An authorized person then reviews and approves the request. After approval, the transaction becomes available for voucher generation. The approved information is carried forward and the account's user completes the payment method, cash or bank account, exchange rate, comments, and related ledger details before posting. For example, one employee may prepare a supplier payment, a manager may approve it, and the finance team may complete the final voucher. The separation improves control and keeps a clear audit trail. The same accounting structure supports receipt and journal voucher, including debit and credit entries across the required accounts. The transaction calendar presents accounting activity by date. Payments, receipts, sales, purchase, and profitability can be reviewed in a month, week, day, or list view. This helps management identify busy transaction days, missing activity, or unusual changes. For customers with regular monthly charges, recurring receivables can be configured once. The user select the customer billing purpose, amount, frequently, collection day, and notification preference. The system then maintains a consistent billing schedule and reduce repeated data entry. The sales process begins with a quotation. The user selects, the customer adds product, quantities, rate, discount, and any required tax information. The system calculates the totals and produces a professional quotation document. For example, after preparing a quotation, the user can generate the PDF and send it to the customer by email directly from the process. Once the sale is invoiced, the outstanding invoice report shows the invoice amount, receipt amount, remain balance, due date, and payment status. The collection team can quickly identify overdue invoice and take action from the same screen. Sales calendar organizes quotations, invoice, orders, profit, overdue amounts, and upcoming collection by date. A user can open a selected day and review the related invoice details, including item, quantity, rate, discount, tax, and total amount. The receivable view then shows customers' wise invoice values, payments received, and outstanding balance. This allows the sales and finance teams to follow the same information and communicate with customers using the exact balance shown in the system. Purchase and inventory modules work as one connected process. A direct purchase invoice records the supplier, date, warehouse, item quantity, rate, tax, payment information, and comments. After the purchase is saved, the received quantity update inventory and becomes available in stock reports. Opening stock is used to enter the initial quantity and value of each item when the system is first implemented or when a new warehouse is introduced. The stock checking screen that combines opening quantity, inward movement, outward movement, current stock, stock value, weighted average cost, and the latest purchase and sales date. For example, if an item has low current stock and regular outward movement, management can review its movement history and reorder requirement before a shortage occurs. Additional reports support stock register, item ledger, current stock with value. Distribution module supports structured order collection for field or route-based sales. The user selects the distributor, dates, products, quantities, and discounts. Item codes, names, and rates remain visible during entry so the order can be reviewed before saving. Administrator can also configure which pages require approval. This means sensitive transaction can follow a review process while routing operations remaining fast and practical. GPAC ERP Standard Edition connects daily operations, financial control, customer follow-up, and inventory visibility in one integrated system, helping businesses work with greater accuracy, control, and efficiency.